Alright, ixesha lethu ngoku imizuzu mine ngokubethile insimbi ka 3 o'clock. It's 4 minutes after 3 ngomvulo namhlanje. Kanti ke siyakwamkela kwinkqubo yakho yarhoqo ngomvulo ngolesibini nangolesithathu, inkqubo yona ethi yiza sithethe. Iqonga ke lasekuhlaleni apha ke ngakumbi apha eJamestown, nalapho khona ke sithi ke sikuphathele imiba ngemiba eyahluka-hlukeneyo, nalapho ke siye sikuphathele nabantu ngabantu abahluka-hlukeneyo bethetha ke ngaloo miba sincokola ngayo ngosuku ngalunye. Igama lam ndinguThembinkosi kaVenfall, ndicela sihlale kunye ke kanti ke ndiyafuna ukutsho kuwe ndithi inkqubo yethu iyakhula to an extent that ndiyafuna ukukunika i-line-up ngoku ukwenzela into yobana i-line-up yethu uyazi uba siyimisa njani na ukusukela ngoku ukuya phambili. Kusukela kulowa namhlanje umvulo, ngomvulo siza kuphathela community leaders. Xa sithi community leaders ke ingaba inkokheli yezopolitiko, ingaba inkokheli ekhoyo nje ekuhlaleni, solange inkokheli yokuhlala, ingaba liqala lomzabalazo mhlawumbe lihlele ecani kwendlu ngoku elinokwazi usiphathela imbali, kodwa ke inkokheli yokuhlala, iinkokheli ezikhoyo kwi-community yethu ezikhokelayo kumaqonga ngamaqonga ahlukeneyo. Kodwa ke ngolesibini sikuphathele ke abantu abakhokelayo kwi-community organizations. Kukhona i-projects ezikhoyo ekuhlaleni, kukhona i-political organizations, kukhona neminye imibutho ekhoyo ekuhlaleni. Sakuphathela bona ke rhoqo ngolwesibini. Umzekelo ngomso sibe sikuphathele i-Osizweni Recovery and Substance Abuse Center, nalapho khona sibe sincokola nomnumzana uXolile Mali. Ngolesithathu rhoqo ngolesithathu siphatha imiba yezolonwabo nemidlalo. Uyivile ke kwiveke pheleleyo bese sinalo indwendwe besinalo apho umnumzana uYanga Mqongwana, nalapho khona singene banzi ke kwimiba yezolonwabo. Futhi ke sinemiba esizanayo kulo lwesithathu awufuni uphoswa, because sizawukwenza i-follow up ngolwesithathu lo sizakwenza i-follow up kwimiba emininzi ebiphakanyiswe ngomnumzana uMqongwana xa ebenathi kwiveke epheleleyo. Hlala nje wena uphulaphule, zininzi ke izinto ozawuthi uzifumane. Sisasaza ke namhlanje ke imeko yethu imeko yoba akukho nombane kumnyama namhlanje, kodwa ke sikwazile ukwenza unako uqinisekisa into yobana awuphoswa nolwa namhlanje usasazo ngqo uyalifumana. Ndondo lethu ke namhlanje ngomnye wabantu abakhokelayo kwi-community yethu, umnumzana uXolani Sikade. Abantu abaninzi bambiza njengokila, abantu abaninzi bambiza njengomabhani, maninzi kamagama wakhe abizwa ngawo ekuhlaleni. Into kaSikade ke ikhona ngomnye wenkokheli zokuhlala, uzazilanda ke azixele into yobana ithini interest yakhe kwi-community yethu, uhappy na yindawo asibona sikuyo, njalo senditshilo ke mntaka Sikade ndathi ke tata namhlanje asinambane thithi ukuthi loo nto asizibanayo nengoma ke sizawumane sithi hayi khawuginyamathe ngayo, sizawuqhuba sizawuthezela emnxebeni ngoba ke sikule meko sikuyo. Lusuku lokuqala ke nqa kwiintsuku eziyi-14 ezimiselwe nguPresident Cyril Ramaphosa ngobusuku baphezolo, apho khona athe siku-adjusted level 4 we-lockdown. Iintsuku eziyi-14 ezimiselwe nguPresident ziqala namhlanje, because kaloku uPresident uthe with immediate effect 28 June 2021. So sikusuku lokuqala ke lwe-lockdown. Sinethemba ke into yobana abantu ke kwindawo abakuzo bayayiqwalasela futhi nemiqathango leyo ye-lockdown ethe yamiselwa ngumongameli. Kuvalwa nezikolo kwethu, nabantu bangacingi uba xa kuvalwe izikolo kuvalwe namanzi, kodwa ke izikolo zizawuvalwa, neencwadi azivalwanga, kuvalwe nje izikolo at least for the 14 days. Mnumzana Sikade, masibulise Nkosi yam, sikwamkele xa sithi thina yiza sithethe. Kunjani namhlanje?
Ngithathe ithuba Venfall ndibulise nakubalandeli bakho inkqubo yakho. You know, let me start here by saying, you know, I'm so happy when I see people like you who have taken upon themselves to say this is a way we can contribute to the community. You know, we must never take such things so small. Let me just say, igama nguXolani nguSikade Fani ngumgcini isiduko. Ndazalwa apha eJamestown, abantu abaklasi kuthiwa 10 kilometers apha eJamestown. Ndizalwa pha, ndangena amabanga amaphantsi apha esikolo, ndamabanga amaphezulu apha eJamestown. Ndimhlala eJamestown, but just unfortunately that for the past 22 years you know, bendiyokapha eJamestown but bendibuya bendingahlali kakhulu bendihlala nje iintsuku ezimbini entathu ndibuyele back ePort. Uyabona, I want to say all of us, we are leaders actually. You know, I always tell abantu I'm not a leader. It's just I'm outspoken person. Ndithetha kakhulu ingxaki yam, and some people can think I'm a leader. I'm not. All of us we are leaders, but I'm an activist of speaking out. You know, and once you start doing that, you must know that you touch some other nerves. Also, that's what makes me a good in the platform good namhlanje. At least you can call it your show to say, mustard. Yes. You know, I'm here for that, you know. Yes. And I just hope or wish I'll answer all your questions honestly, openly. You know, just open debate. Actually, we just have gonna have fun.
Sibulele ke ndakaskadi. Well, kukhokele ndawo. Fanele ke ndakulahla ke because uncedile uzixele isiduko because fanele ndakulahla ndakubiza ngesinye singeso. Right, kukhokele ndawo Chopho. Ithi you are outspoken.
Yeah.
Khawunabe.
Okay.
Yintoni ususwe intoni zikuqonda andizokwazi ukuhlala nento ndiqonda andikho happy yiyo.
Around 2015, 16, I think so. Abantu basekhaya behlaleni, they used to send me izinto ndingapha ePort into zasenzeke ehlaleni. But yaqala kancinci lento faka into ethile kuFacebook abantu ba-comment, how do you know this ungekho nalapha eJamestown? And it hurts me because xa sikungesizapha emakhaya, you know, we don't see development, we don't see anything, and yet abantu bamele uqhatha. Then 2018, 2017, I think it started to kick on now. I had a passion to speak out because now I had to consult my family and tell them about this is the road in the Tata. And Lentanzai Tata, it might not be popular to others, but it's the right thing to do. If one has to die speaking out, be it. Because Sesife already is by not speaking out, you're already dead. Then they call up, get a clash of food parcel, get a list, and I was in Port, sending me list, Bandana to Jamestown. Then I went, no, man, we can trust you. Then I started having a lot of sources in almost all the departments. Even if in this department in Lapa, no sources are, but it's a passion now. You know, I'm doing it. I don't get paid. You know, because in Yani, it's a rare commodity. It's expensive. Once you start to speak out truth, you lose friends that I don't have, by the way. I'm not a friend person who knows names. I've got a few friends that I can name it. And call them if Chomzam's you must know Guti, you will always be told Guti will crash. You must know Guti about the enemies that you don't know. But you never had enemies. By the time I used to speak in nonsense, some that was not sense, it doesn't make sense. You know, I used to be a Sabodo Otabi jokes then, you know, and people they would like me for that. But once I started to speak truth, those who were around me, even is to the Sam, I'm like, Abo, Inyani can go, but to some together. All in all, the game, learn your theater out. It's something that comes natural to me because even growing up, I used to theater cool, but then I've changed it now to say, as I grow older, I get wiser. I'm not saying I'm wise. Hence now, it doesn't matter. When the color is black, it's black. It's not charcoal. I call it the way you call.
Okay, ndiyakuva ndakaskadi. Ayadibana lento, ayahamba mhlawumbi yadityaniswa nepolitiki okanye mhlawumbi uthi hayi mna ndithetha inyani whether yenziwa ngubani or ayenziwa ngubani na. Ayihambanga mhlawumbi yahamba yakekelela kwicala elithile mhlawumbi bafeta ke ngezopolitiki.
Bavonfuke ilishwa nani eThamsanqa. Ipolitiki are part of our life. I always say ebantwini umzekelo, yabona HIV and AIDS, whether we are affected or infected, it affects you. Some it affects us because of family members who are positive. Others are infected by you. Politics, they play a role in our life. Whether you like it, you want to speak truth or not, you must know politics are the one at the forefront of movement. See, people as a politician, You understand? It means now, whatever you are doing is going to go to politics. Yeah, but abantu abasine ukuthi xa ngaba uthetha izinto, they might be political. I speak out against churches. I speak out against Amapara. I speak out against what do you call it? Politicians, you know. Mine, I don't choose, you know, who should I speak out for? It depends. That's the current problem we are facing. But instead of dealing with the problem, leaders, they are just tiptoeing around the issue because of whatever who's a vote or what. Here's the issue. Contract settings. It's simple. Why are settings? Let's get to the table, resolve the issue. But this happens in Jalo. Even if I put on face this, I'm not a fan of what they are doing. No contract. Those who are doing that, tomorrow I come and say, no, but you must be listening. Or I told you, but you said you're not part of it. Yes, a dissenting voice, it must be listened to. Yeah, come. Now, I'm saying to you, it's not political. The contract, it is a politics now. You hear our matches, called the matches must be attended. These matches, yes, I'm doing. As a matter, they have to do with politics. I'm saying, yes, I might be wrong. But such things must be confronted head on. And unfortunately, I just speak out. Yeah, we must not fear to speak out. Because if Seattle, history has taught me one thing. The world, if German, Hitler was killing the Jews. It is where the world leaders decided to take German, Hitler head on. Not because of they have no interest in German, but they know Hitler once again in Poland, and in Russia, so again they were next to German. Down the line, by the time they have to act, the German, the Nazis propaganda will have taken over the world. It is going to be difficult to defeat it. We must defeat now in the Jamestown before it spread on. People have been fed lies and lies for years. You understand? It's so difficult now, even if so. I cannot know, guys. Each Jamestown is not developing because when I left Jamestown, there was a bank. When I left Jamestown, there was a factional post office. When I left Jamestown, there was shops Main Street. Today you go around Main Street, you don't even know who's the town planner. The garage. Salon, you see, there's nothing in the guy. And if you raise that issue, this is wrong, guys. I can tell you, the person in the salon who's an attack, the person who's an attack, the person who's an attack, because they think I'm fighting them. But I'm just saying, the right way, here's the right way. And that's the opportunity.
Now, mention needs development. And I believe ukusukela ku-1994 ukuza today apha naphaya lukhona utshintsho lukhona. Now xana wena usithi akukho development, how is it?
You know, development is not one street paved, or it's not 3 kilometer paved way in Lokshin. It's a development. It is not lights as in business is a development. It is not because what do you call it? It's a development. Development, it's broad. Masenze so Jamestown. If you look at the Umnot was a Jamestown, it's man as a Jamestown. Before now, you will see Jamestown was generating a lot of revenue because of the way people, where business people in Jamestown. That's a development because it attracts Osomashishini development. If there are no Osomashishini, you should know there's a problem with development going down. Let's say in Namtan, you don't have sewage. That's not a problem with sewage. But ask yourself, if Jamestown is N6, if N6J, it cannot attract ShopRite. Low, who say we contain low money lokish, then you must say we are developed. If Jamestown is N6, we put up easy, no? Zia a pick and pay, cannot have pick and pay, cannot have pep stop. I'm sorry to mention these shops because they don't sponsor your show. I'm sorry for that. But I'm just saying, we must look broader than or my friend. I'm not saying my friend they are the problem, but go by the way. Because you cannot make it closer to my friend. If development is things, you look at socially, is the social as Zenze about. You look into the sports now, is it developing now? Sports, ground is it right for Banduan? You look where is called, do you have this call that will cater in it, Banduan? You go a pan those wood. You come to I don't think we call. Even you call accidents. That's how development. It's not about good eye. Nasi stratus if I get pelvi. Because if I go Google and show you surage. Yes, but it's broad. You understand? That's how we get. When I find those things, I'm saying you must not look at one angle. It's just better. When I see one of it broadly now, what was supposed to look like a change start. I mean, if you have a clear understanding, Alvan 1996 we saw. 20 years back, down the line, he saw. It don't recht, we saw. Down the line, he saw. And it's a talent don't recht. It's a talent team. Yet these towns, they attracted, such, FNB or capital. Why Jamestown? You see, that it means it needs a political will. That's why politics come in now. To say, guys, but Jamestown, okay, being a crime. Because a crime, it has a tendency of taking away development. Amapara, they must be dealt on. But they become a para Jamestown. By the time we grew up now, it was fine Jamestown, we were not Jamestown. Why did we have Jamestown? It was because of we sell our souls to individuals.
Okay. Ndicela ke mntakasikade uzuyibambe kuloo ndawo because umenshine amapara. And you are saying in the past, besingenamapara, ngokusinamapara. Now, the question yamke would be, kwenzeke ntoni and silwa njani ke ngoku nalo mkhwase ukhona wokulwa namapara. Ndicela ke lo question leyo uziyibambe sizawubuyela kuyo. 21 minutes emveni ko-3 o'clock lixesha elolichanekile thina sisatsho sathi yiza sithethe. Kanti ke sincokola namhlanje intwendo lethu nguKhila utata uSkade. Waziwa njengomabhani ke ekuhlaleni singokola ke imiba sithetha ngaye kakhulu into bana uthi yena akayo community leader kodwa ungumuntu othetha phandle ungumuntu outspoken and akathetheli bani and akathetheli any political party kakade kuzawuhamba kuhambe into esithethayo utsho yena zihamba ziyongqubeka kwipolitics ngoba kaloku siphethwe ngabo osopolitiki sele ekhankanyeke ingongoma ezininzi eziliqela ngoku uthetha ngamapara qinisekile ke umcimbi we-development unyathele kangangoko nangona ke phaa ethubeni wena sizawubuya nawo because ndifuna ukubetha i-U10 ethubeni ndibuyele kuye kulo mcimbi we-development kodwa okwangoku ndisafuna uke ndike ndihlale naye kule ndawo yamapara. Sifike nini apho kuthene nto sinamapara yaye silwa njani ke ngoku nalo mkhwambi mtsha ukhoyo ekuhlaleni wamapara.
Okay. Yabona amapara aproducwe xa abantwana bengenzi nix ne bacinga into zonke izinto wazi ingqondo yakho ingabikho busy into ethile uyocinga wayirobha njani ibhenki. Akekho umuntu othi when I go busy into ayicinga positive. If you become a town manager like I call them town managers, location managers, because they just sit around doing nothing. Then it comes the idea for now. Let us form a group, guys, whereby those who work, when they come back to school, we can rob them to make a living. Because at Jamestown, there was a period from 2006 till 2015 that the youth would do nothing. They were just looking around the auction. Umdo past standard 10, you didn't know where to go. We had a huge number of it dropped out. Nobody looked after that. Why am I not able to score? Why can't I start 3-4 egg? We had a problem of they created amapara gabandu who were pregnant. When they were pregnant, they were engaging in alcohol. It created abandoned who are slow learners. Then they had to drop out the schooling. We couldn't see good abantu who are not excelling in schooling. What can you do for them? Can you take them to technical schools to do something else instead of dance? our leaders by that time, political leaders, they didn't have all the wisdom to say, guys, let us stop this thing. Once it started, nobody came and said, guys, how do you correct the problem? But because we're playing my emotion about it, they'll just tell about what they wanted to hear. They didn't have a solution. They know there's a problem. They know how the problem created a problem. But now, when they didn't like, people were like shocked. But in their shock, no one could think, guys, how do we stop this thing? How do you nip the bud of this problem? Now it's getting out of hands now. That's the problem now. It will lead us now to form groups whereby we say, at certain time, we must be vigilant. Also, it doesn't mean about 10 or 8. Whereby as reflectors, they are known by the community band. Each and every household, if it contributes £2 per month or per week, to pay towards those people, just a thank you. It's not because we guys and clashing up. It's just to say thank you for being an extra eye in my police. Yes, I call my police, they play their part. But my police they cannot be all over. But if you got these people who can look to move around up to a certain time, especially at 2 o'clock, even Canberra, 1 to 2, 3. That's the most dangerous time for a crime. Around that time, when patrol up, they stop and search Abana They must know who by problem solved.
Okay. Now, you know, ikhona ke aspect ozenayo empilo bana kumele singene kuyo. You are saying uba ngabe abantu bahlela bananto yokwenza, the likelihood is that they will commit crime. Now ibe phike ngoku into ethi mandisabele mna urhulumente xa esithi ukuzenzele.
And again, just before election, together we can do more. About ukuzenzele. Yeah, but as in together we can do more. Let's go back. That's a problem now. Ukuzenzele. That's where the problem starts. Why not talk about who canvas ukuzenzele? We'll see the reaching abantu. They will tell you asinado kwenza. Abound in skills. Urhulumente ukukhupha ngoku just 6 months before election. Kukhupha youth fund. What fund? All these things are zikhona ngoku. In between bekwenzeka ntoni? Beziphi izinto? They are not solving the problem just buying cash. They are trying to solve the problem. Because by the time you go October, I want you to tell me himself how many people have been helped by youth what was up and it's not about Vukuzenzele because these people now before Bakabele, they don't tell us what they do. They hide behind Nibutu. That's why the problem is, because if we had a chance to ask them individually, I can tell no one will tell you. Because my husband, they hide behind Umbutu. They become elote to us Bashar. It makes as if abantu are lazy. They are not lazy. Without resources, there's nothing you can do. You can have a good idea, but without money, it's a worst idea you can have.
Mandikubambe mntakasikade amathuba avulwe. Sine programs zikarhulumente ezingu CWP, sino EPWP, sine programs, in fact sinayo into ethi kanzithi sinayo mangathi sinayo unazo urhulumente ezi programs. Now phinde kube khona ke nento ethi lo nto icingileyo nokungubani noba injani khawubhale phansi uzocela ifunding kurhulumente nango social development nango agriculture if it's agriculture related jalo. Now akhona amathuba anjalo. Iquestion yami yokuqala ke leyo endifuna ukubuza yona uba sithathe nini nxaxheba kuwo ukuba ngaba sizawuthi hayi baphangele then masibarobhe xa babuye. Yokuqala leyo endifuna ukuyibuza. Eyesibini, if you are saying abantu must group up ba patrol ba khalisa impempe, are you not replacing i-role ye-CPF? Because phakathi emapoliseni kukho i-community police forum elinkhonco phakathi kwabahlali namapolisa. Are you not replacing the existence ye-CPF uba ngaba mhlawumbi abahlali bazakwenza i-groups ezilolo hlobo?
Okay, let me start with Muzukana. EPWP, CWP, these are not the jobs. You can't go up and down.
Zayithenga ibhotile fish oil.
No.
Zayithenga i-2 liter paraffin.
Not the thing. Yabana, once a certain age, your pension. You know what it means? It means now you're at a stage of life you must go and relax. You understand? You must get this man pension. It's a pension now. You have a good physical part. It was meant to say at that age, you understand? Your body will need you to relax now. You understand? Once again, you take fish oil. Awufuni unika abantu imali to buy fish oil. Ne? Give abantu imisebenzi that will sustain them. Ngoba that fish oil ayinayo umgubo. La mgubo awunawo amasi. How to get my amasi? You understand? It was just meant to make a volunteer a political party like EPWP all over the places, all over South Africa. Yes, you can now but the main reason to do that because it was accommodate I'm a volunteer if we group about does it create
Okay, yes. Are you replacing?
Replacing no. See, CPF is a structure. I think got 5 members, 6 members. Nine members. Ababan they've got is to look after influence of now and then come and raise issues. Those people, if it's about 10, 12, anyone can volunteer by the way, it's not about numbers. We say guys, let's speak and let's tell our own child to singing on but has not a crime change and a line. Here's the solution. Only often volunteer. Get shift that ukalango 8 till go tricks in pass we move around the extra way but volunteer but Abba they are not reclaim police but they are becoming extra eye so that because even I will on action position same also it's by gap you are gone that's how can ban no one rob because like as can up all people call all angles. It helped to reduce the crime. I've seen it. A porch I joined my pay repair. It was a good call my pay repair. That group was so effective in such a way that we have breaking. If we take it into the way, you get arrested when I'm team. If we commit a crime, we're part of it. Our band were patrolling during the night. We're getting his email in jail. It depends month to month. If go see a volunteer team, just imagine sit every week, ne? Calculate 2 running out the team. Just 2 run per week. Every household each son. Ne? Lama Yago say thank you for just volunteering your time. That episode 8 when I was in when you can check which is safe. It will reduce the crime in such a way that I can tell you, even somebody Philippi a debtor. Once you have to change some crime, he says, you want to come and invest here. People don't invest because we crime.
Difuna singing kakhulu. When you talk about crime, it's a two-way street. Because kukho mntu commit a crime, kukho mntu oqinisekisa crime yenzeka kanjani. Ngokuthi nansi cell phone yeah ibiwe. And then you become the buyer. Yala cell phone. Now, it's a two-way door because iseller belingasoze libe le cell phone if ibingekho ibuyer. Now, how do we spread the word to the community to say stop buying izinto ezibiweyo?
Come on. You know, there's this guy, Tom husband, man, cooler. I'm sorry to use the word cooler. Maybe look productive, but there's a guy, my friend, who told me to his cell phone. You understand? It means that my friend is open in market. Last, there was a guy who things out in a tavern, cell phone. I went to that guy. I said, you are wrong. Not in front of me. I phone figure. He says to no. Pay me 500 rand. And I said, we can go and open a case. So it must be arrested. In Mark, Nance Abbey coin in Sanity. Those who buy in this beware, ne, umthetho ukhona maybe because if ubile igusha umzekelo awuvalela evalela njalo xa ube iselfoni ngavalela you must never have a way ukuthi le ncinci once abantu bazi ukuthi into ncinci just to nje iselfoni it might look like ngathi be indlovu I can tell you so zibe nembova that is smaller than inansika iselfoni we must stop isaqala that's why you started sekumarket namhlanje njalo iselfoni is why it is because somebody allowed that to flow na nonsense hence I'm saying my friend my friend stop le nto la kamanje amapost bevile icase yakhe apha ecourt kufuna kunqobe iselfoni pha we must speak out I even said when umuntu mina I wish somebody azothengisela the phone I'll write my Facebook page ukuthi ubani uthengisa iphone enhle shene sona so angithenganga by doing so it allows you to see ukuthi Kim semphinde uthengisa phambi kwabani that's what I'm doing now send it in front of me zobona Como uthengisela mos kanguthi uthi alright it
okay 25 to 4 lixesha lethu elo ndifuna uzubambe lo mbuzo because ndifuna sibuye ngawo man i-project yesiwa line phakathi naphakathi nje imile konakele phi and how far and into efanele ba ibe yenzeka into kwenzela into bona sizoyibona iqhubekeka la nto yala project 25 to 4 sincokola ke no Mr. Xolani Skade a community activist umuntu othetha phandle community activist and ubu-activist bakhe ke abukho aligned to any political party okuthetha into yoba angayigxeka enye ngomso athi le begxekile aphinda abuye bengakuyo ayithethelele ukuba ngaba i-right laa nto yenzayo that is an activist ayikho aligned to any political party ithetha ukuthi ke loo nto akazusinqabela nalapha eqongeni sothi xa kumane kubakho imibe ekuhlaleni simane simkrweca sithi mhlekazi wami khawusondele kuthini le nto kunjena so sinaye ke namhlanje sincokola ke naye ke imiba emininzi eyahlukeneyo ke amane ecaphucaphula ke kuyo sithethile nge-development sizawubuyela ke kuyo because zikhona nawo sifuna ziqhoboshe uthethile ke nge-crime now sikumba we-contract kwenzeka ntoni konakele phi mzana wami
I'm not surprised. I wrote how many old people about disabled people abafuna izindlu 2%. Ulucha. Then to say out of 170 houses, young people about 10 of money izindlu. The rest is by lottery abantu abadala. Then ke usathi igcwaliseke ilokishi kahle ngabikho izindlu ezinganabantu. Because ukwakha izindlu it's not a solution. Yet there are more houses that are vandalized. And that's the thing. Yes, we build houses for one. It means there's no need to see because why do we have so many houses vandalized? It is on the corruption now. Because I end up selling my buying and it becomes a general okay. And that's the thing.
No, so we are going to can you mean tell us see again. Net because kaloku i-list zabantu abafuna izindlu zisakhula even today abantu basabhalisa ezilistini zofuna izindlu so I think lowo umbandi ndiubambe kakuhle and I will make sure siyawubuyela kuwo ngenye imini
the sellers
come again
abathengisayo baphinda bafuna izindlu kwakhona most of them bafuna babefuna
No.
New people.
That is why in city mna ndicela sibuyele kulo.
Ababeka amakhaqqa
ngenye imini singangeni kuwo namhlanje. Basingangena well ke singade siphele simenyana ngamaxesha.
Okay.
Yes. Kodwa ke dizibambile as points uzanazo. And uninzi lwazo ziyayifuna follow up. Ziyafunda bona siphinde sibuye mandize ke ngokunalena i-question kule into enqimba yaba i-question yethu yokugqibela before ndiye kumba wethu wokugqibela sokwazi kwahlukana uzithetha phi ezi views zakho yaye futhi how do you make sure ukuthi uyafikelela ebantwini and ziphela zisenzeka zingabi ngamaphupha nje kuphela
mhlekazi and even for there are things you can make awareness about it. You understand? All I'm doing, I'm just to make them aware. Learn it wrong. It will take some time before I want to understand. you know. Right now, I'm backing. Let me put that way. Yeah, I'm using Facebook. Yeah, to make people aware of this guy. I'm going to say again. Yes, Gamaspal. Oh, Kashwaja. Yeah, no, Kashwaja. Oh, Kashwaja, ANC. Let's be honest about it. But today, I get to look at the Indian. Say, it's open thing. As long as good. But if I ANC, your man says, but no. No, ANC. I'm like, I'm at this level. What I've managed to raise, it has stopped a lot of things that will happen even today. Now I'm sure I can tell you. I'm a meeting of Maspal. I tell you, I think it's Mapan. I feel like Mapan, but I'm going to be a lapis of sin. It means they want to do wrong things, but it's not junkie. They go with no crash on the phone. You pay them no crash on. It becomes difficult to about crash engine. Yeah, got almost like junkie. Such like what I've managed to do, it has made those who are in powers now to think twice before they do anything. Go by husband, there is somebody who be laughing to Facebook, want something they get wrong and raise.
Okay. Now, kuyasakhe. Awuzibhalile izinto kwa Facebook. Once you sell your ideas on Facebook, say in a minute, kawuziphendule nje.
Your inbox, I'm talking about inbox. I baphendula share. Not in the leaders, those who are in power, they answer me. Even some of them, they even threaten to take me to court. To say, no, did you hear? I'm at the court. Was there a court of it? I just saw it. I'm Tory. What do you see? I want to do about I'm Tory. Should court. Say, but I don't know. I didn't for long. But Obama team. Say, but ban my mail because the fact that they can call me, the fact that they can inbox me, they are listening. The number, they look at me. She's sick. You know, may get well. I wish she get well. She said, Skade, we do read what you write on Facebook. The issue that we raised there, Maspala, we do read them. That means I was like, oh, Angel, who MEC? He said, inbox me one day. What? Mr. Skade, I said, born and young, 8 years, 13 the phone in. Keep it that way. Send back at least Abando, they do read it. A message received. They do blue ticket. Yeah, blue ticket message. That's what I want to do. Message must be blue ticket.
2 minutes before 4, phambi kokuba sibe siyahlukana. Usiya. Skade.
May his soul rest in
was
peace.
your brother. May his soul rest in peace. He was your brother, he was your cousin. He was a comrade. He was an activist. He was a champion of radical economic transformation. In a minute.
May your soul rest in peace here. You know, it's such unfortunate that Jameson lost such a treasure. You know, people they used to criticize the Jameson. It out too much. I went to Free State. He was big, that guy. He was a PEC member. A PEC of a youth league. That guy, he was working in the office of a mayor. He was with discipline, he structures a discipline. You can see the trust that he can discipline our comrades not towing the line. But a Kayabra, they will never see Bukobako up until university. People were shocked to see Usia. He was so big outside the Jamestown. Yet, in 2002, he was so vocal at Jamestown. I want to say, bro, I've learned a lot to that young man. He was vocal, he would disagree, he would agree, yet he would stick firm to what he believed. He was an RT member, that guy in good standing. He used to say to me, X, in politics, once you take a line, stick to it. He did that way. And then, what matters more is that he left behind young kids. He left at a young age. His future was so bright in front of him. But then only God knows. Anyway, thanks, bro. You know, that's a guy that is younger than me, but he really inspired me a lot to some of the things that he did. that I couldn't do it at my age.
Yes, nathi sitsho sithi ke umphefumulo wakhe uphumule ngoqobo. Sitsho ke futhi mbakasikade into bana sinethemba lo nawe uzayifumana le recording ya today okokuqala. Okwesibili siyathemba into bana asikwenzi ba market kodwa ke sithi siyathemba uzawuthetha ngale show. Kangangoko nakwabanye abantu nakwezinye platforms, especially after ufumene i-recording ya today, so that i-platform yethu le ibe nokwazi uba yaziwe nakwezinye kona zininzi ke nezinye iinkokheli zokuhlala. This is not a political platform. Siyafuna nokubiza different political parties so that singayanyaniswa ne-political party ethile. So sinelo themba ke.
No. Thanks. Let me tell you one thing. You just once I get it, I'll just take snippet of it, right? Market it or WhatsApp. Question and then small 30 seconds there, 20 seconds there. Put in different markets, different platforms. That's how you market it. So that people can see children are switching stuff. Because I know people want to see the more video of it.
Yes.
You just put 30 seconds there, 20 minutes there. If you've got a good editor, I don't know how to edit, but if I knew we do that, you take there and put it in 30 seconds, then boom! I wonder that the platform yourself, but they want to see this.
Yeah, 2 minutes after 4 ithetha ukuthi ke lonto leyo sifikelela esiphelweni senkqubo yethu yiza sithethe rhoqo ngomvulo ngolesibini nangolesithathu ngo-3 ade abethe u-4 o'clock. Namhlanje undondo lethu benguye umnumzana uXolani Sikade. Sinethemba ke lento bana ngomso olwesibini sabe sihleli notata uXolile Mali. Yena simbamba eosizweni Recovery and Substance Abuse Center sabe sihleli naye ke apha e-studio ngenjikala ngaya ngomso ngo-3 o'clock. Imicimbi yemizolo nobona imidlalo sabe siyiphethe phaya ngolwesithathu. Zungaphoswa ke ngoba kaloku zonke ingxoxo ezi esibanazo apha zenzelwe wena mhlali. Siyakhula komane kuthethwa izinto ezahlukeneyo, simane sithunyelelwa nemiyalezo yahluka. Bakhona nabantu abasifonelayo bathi ilungiseni apha, ilungiseni phaya, ilungiseni. Siyabulela kakhulu ke kwi-management ye-Jamestown Youth Club because yiyo eqinisekisayo into okubana i-marketing yenziwa kangangoko. Sikhangele ke napha ku-Facebook kaLonwabo Damani, uFacebook kaKhayalethu Nyama. Kungenjalo ungasibhalela na ku WhatsApp 0749610400 ubhale ke lo message ofuna ukuyishiya ke ku WhatsApp. Izawungena ke kuthi ke lo message leyo sikwazi into bana size nayo sifunde sitsho ke into bana wena uthini nange. Mininzi ke sine line up ngakumbi ngenyanga kaJuly njengoba sizabe siqala inyanga kaBawo Mandela. Sine line up ende yabantu ezamane sizohlala nabo apha, but especially uyokhumbula iMandela Day lusuke sizabe singekho ngalo apha emoyeni, kodwa sizawuqinisekisa into bana ngala Mandela Day ikhona into ezabe isenzeke ekuhlaleni ozawube nawe ukwazi ukuyibukela kwezi platforms ne-platforms ezahlukeneyo. Kaloku wayetshilo naye uBawo Mandela wathi make every day a Mandela Day. On that note, siyathemba into bana ngomso xa sibuya sawubuya nombane ukhona. Namhlanje ke God bless and good afternoon.
Thank you, sir.